Well, thanks for visiting us this morning at KTALnews.com and your Weather Authority app. I'm meteorologist Josh Marces, and this is your Thursday morning forecast update. That is the good news today. We're at Thursday and a lot closer to the weekend here, and it's about where the good news ends. We're not going to see any heavy rain today, just a few showers in the northern Arklatex this morning, but the rain drying up for most of us, which will send our temperatures into the upper 90s today. We have extreme humidity as well, and because of that humidity, we do have an excessive heat warning. So if you're outside anytime between about noon and 5 p.m., that heat index will be very close to 110 degrees. So that's what it will feel like today, and just impossible to cool down with the high humidity. So if you're working outside, just kind of urge you to drink plenty of water today and wear loose, light-colored clothing as well, and take as many breaks in the air conditioning in the shade as possible. It's one of those days you can get heat-related illness setting up very quickly. And little tier counties here in Arkansas and a few parishes in Louisiana, heat index will be between 105 and 110, so we just have the heat advisory here. Either way, it is going to be just a very hot day for us, and this will likely continue through Saturday. Maybe some rain coming in late in the weekend to break the heat for at least a day or two here. Now, we are starting out close to 80 degrees. We're off to that running start when the temperatures are already warm in the morning, and we should see more sun today, so that should crank most of us into the upper 90s. Slightly cooler north of I-30. That's where we'll actually see that chance of a few rain showers developing this morning. And a look at the heat index, again, that's the temperature with the humidity factored in, and what the true feel to the temperatures will be. And you can see that heat index, especially around 3 or 4 p.m., should be peaking between about 108 and 111 degrees. So as far as the rain that's out there, our warm front that moved across the region yesterday is now pulled up stationary north of us. That's triggering some thunderstorms in Arkansas as well as Oklahoma. Likely these will have a difficult time making it over the mountains here, but we do expect just a few showers to impact maybe McCurtain County and points south to about I-30. So if you're in Texarkana, we can't rule out maybe just a brief shower this morning. Doubtful that that rain makes it down to I-20 here, but we may see a few clouds drift through late in the day today. And then tonight, there should be another round of storms that pops up here. We'll have to look out for some wind, maybe just north of the Arklatex along the Ouachitas there, but that rain will fizzle out quickly as well. So for your Friday, we may see a few more clouds around, but I think the temperature is headed likely into the same neighborhood tomorrow, so we'll keep it in the upper 90s Friday as well as Saturday. Now, we do have another front that's going to dip in on Sunday, and that may cool us off just a few degrees during the day on Sunday. A few scattered storms, but it won't be a washout here, and may carry just a slight chance of rain into Monday as well. But we do dry out again for much of next week, so I'm thinking much of next week will be in the upper 90s with those heat advisories and excessive heat warnings around for much of the upcoming week.